Hello, we're going to start number 13 from Spring 2010 final exam. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a normal distribution with mean, mu, and standard deviation, sigma? Alright, so our five choices. About 50% of the data are less than the mean. Okay, by definition this is true. This is how one of the ways we defined, or we needed this in the definition of normal distribution. So if you took a look at a normal distribution, okay, the frequency polygon would look like a normal curve, or is a normal curve. Now 50% of the data is less than the mean. Well, the mean, median, and mode are all here. Okay, mean, median, and the mode. All right, and all of this region here represents all of the data below the mean, and that is 50%. Okay, so A is true. See, 99% of the data is within 3 standard deviations. Okay, that was something we talked about in class. 99% is within 3 standard deviations, so that is true. The mean, median, and mode are the same. That's true. 38.5% of the items are between mu minus 1.2 sigma and mu. So here's mu right here. This is mu minus 1.2 sigma. Now what we're looking for then is the percentage that's in here. Now what it's claiming is that it's 38.5%. Okay, so what we need is the normal table. So remember that this normal table, the one we've been using in class, let me scroll down a little bit. That's too far. Okay, right here, that this table is going to tell us P. Now P represents the percentage between mu and some number. Alright, so that's what we were looking for, and our number was 1.2. So we're going to go and look for 1.2, which is right here, which is 38.5%. So let's go back. Okay, so that would mean that the percentage between the mean and 1.2 would be 38.5%. That's exactly what this said. So D is true. About 34.1% is between mu plus 1 sigma and mu plus 2. Okay, let me clear this off. Now mu is going to be in the middle. All right, what we have, okay, is mu plus 1 sigma, and then here, which is mu plus 2 sigma. And I want this percentage in here. All right, so the way we do it is we would find the percentage between mu and this number, and then subtract it from the percentage found from mu to this number. Okay. All right, so let's find the percentage up to 2 standard deviations. Okay, according to the table, it's 47.7%. Okay, so this entire region here is 47.7%. Now I want to know this percentage in here because I want to subtract it from 47.7. Okay, so now we got to go find the percentage between mu and 1 standard deviation. All right, so that's 34.1. Okay, so this right here is 34.1. So to find this percentage in here, what I'm going to do is take 47.7 and subtract off 34.1. That's going to equal 13.6%. Well, that's not what we have here. So E is false. And so our answer is E, not a characteristic of a normal distribution.